real good. You've got to get a hold of yourself.
What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back. We voiceovering today because at the time of this video, I'm finally got a chance to get out at my favorite spot. Got my videographer with me. It's sunny, it's dry, but it's windy. So because of that wind, voice quality and sound quality was real poor. So we doing it this way. And something else I need to let you know, we were planning on getting some speed runs in, which we did get one in. We wanted to spend some time in the field, which we did. Wanted to get some jumps, which we did. But in truth, it was all hampered by the fact that my servo, which I thought had an endpoints issue, was not the case. And I found that out during this video, that it's just really not strong enough to turn this car. And that's just the way it is. I hadn't even really went in to try to reset the endpoints, but I know that they were set so that they wouldn't overturn the car. But, you know, going forward, we're going to go on and get this done. And hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, we have 40. Max speed 48.8. We're gonna do it again. We're recording. We getting the reading. Like we want to make sure of. We are getting a reading here. Go down and back one more time. Up here. Real fast. See what we got this time. $49.5. I don't think I got enough runway to really see about that 50 mark. My best runway is really in front of my house, you guys. But I'm not out there today. So once again, 49.5. That's the best we're gonna have. That's the best we're gonna have, because I can't tell if I'm running out in the street when I get so far. So I'm not gonna go from in the street. So we're gonna hold that speed. Shut the GPS off. Just want to record that. So we know that 18.2 kept it up a little bit. Now we're gonna get a little bit of time out here in the open field. I still got to make that adjustment on my steering. I can do that. You know, life happens. You got to do things when you can't. If you climb up the curb, there should be no problem. didn't want to have to take that walk of shame right out there, right away. Nice little dip right here. That leads out into the gravel. Playing roughly with this. We won't do that one again. Only get one time to make a mistake. I got my turn radius on this thing. I'm not trying to stay out here too long, guys. Without that, I can't do them quick turns. So I'm gonna go head on and we're gonna get a couple of jumps. I don't have a true ramp, but I got something to work with. So give me a second while I set that up. So, finishing off that run, I came to the conclusion that I did have a real issue with my servo. and that is just not strong enough to turn the car, just not good enough. So as I'm examining it, you can see when I start to back the car up that the front tires, they just wiggle back and forth. That's an indication that your servo is not holding up. And there's nothing else that I could find with the car when I took the car home and looked it over. But as you can see, that wiggle is really bad. So I have to get rid of the old servo and get myself a new servo. So that's the situation with that. We'll live with that. We're gonna get out of here because it's windy. And I can't enjoy my rant the way I want to because it's not a very good rant. I appreciate you guys following. Thanks to my 200 plus subscribers. I'm really thrilled about that. I got past 200 subscribers. That's a milestone. Every time you see 100, it's a milestone. So I'm looking forward to getting to 300, 400, 500, however many subscribers I can get. I'm gonna be out here having fun, be out here enjoying myself. I hope you guys are enjoying watching. And it makes you get the itch to get out and bash yourself, take up the hobby, share your experiences, share your knowledge, and make the hobby better for everybody. That's what this is all about for me. Bashing for a budget, making the hobby better. So this is TKS Hobby saying, be blessed, be safe, and always remember, if you ain't crashing, you ain't bashing. It's TKS Hobby. Peace.